Say hi, everybody. We're trying out our new sling.
Wow.
So she can face out and still look around as I'm walking around the house. We're outside.
Very impressive.
So far, she seems to like it. Hi, Luna. Hi, Nana.
Like a little kangaroo pouch.
Yep. She does. It's weird. Her legs are kind of all up there, but apparently they're supposed to be up here. It's totally normal and fine. Yeah. You're just looking around. I know. Wait till we go outside in this. How cool would that be? If this rain ever stops. Yes. Okay.
Samantha, you want to say hi?
You gonna talk?
Hey, now you're looking at me.
Is that Daddy behind there?
Oh yeah, I'm kind of hiding behind this, huh?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Can you see him now? Look.
There I am. Ah.
Daddy. Look at Daddy. Say hi.
All right.
Very good. Oh.
Oh!
Well, there she said something.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Say bye.